Nil.
Yes.
Man, it's not a
It's
guaranteed
dangerous.
score, man.
Yeah.
It's not a
They say
guaranteed
the champion score, but it's not actually.
No, man, it's not about the champion score or
Yes.
like a professional goal score.
Yeah. Yes.
At the end of the day, we want to win the league.
Yes.
Pirates is there. We're chasing now. Pirates is on top of us. I think we are one goal.
Yeah, 1 point behind. Yes.
Yeah, one point behind Pirates.
And Pirates
so
is
anything can
terms of
happen.
goals.
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, man. But overall, the game was fine. We enjoyed watching the game.
Yes, no, it was
But the result also, I think we deserve it. The guys are tired.
Yeah.
From the
They've been
Champions
all
League.
over.
Yes, they've been all over the
3
country.
games, one game every 3 or 4 days.
Exactly
Yes.
my point. So yeah, it's a 1-1. At least we're sharing a point with Stellenbosch.
Yes.
So yeah, we're looking forward moving to the next game.
No, I was sitting next to another guy and he said, Grant Kekana deserves to go to the World Cup. What do you say?
For now, I won't say he deserves it.
Yes.
Let's watch him the next 2-3 games.
Yes.
And see if he really deserves it.
Yes.
He's a good player. He just got the red card, and then
Yes.
today's.
But no, I was not
game.
happy with that red card when I checked it. I think the referee was unfair on the Champions League.
Exactly. The African.
Yeah, they are always on our necks.
Yes.
Yes.
So, but yeah, man, the game was fine. We really enjoyed watching the game. 1-1. It's a fair, score.
Yes.
So, Stellenbosch, they're very stubborn as well. It's not a team you can sleep on.
You can't beat them any day.
Exactly my
Yes.
point. So, yeah, we're moving forward. It's a 1-1. We're sharing a point.
Take the point.
We take a point. We are happy with what we got today.
No, thank you, my
So,
friend.
yeah,
This is We Talk Football SA.
Exactly.
We Talk Football SA. Ukashapa snap mo ka phone ya hao utona ukhopola ufita.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
following